Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer vacation, traveling can be expensive. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your budget. But with a few tips and tricks, you can save some money and still have a great time. So let's get started. Look for deals and discounts. Keep an eye out for deals and discounts on travel websites and social media, and consider signing up for email newsletters from airlines and hotels to get exclusive discounts. Use public transportation. Instead of renting a car or taking taxis, consider using public transportation like buses and trains to get around. This can be a much cheaper option, especially in cities where parking is expensive. Pack light. Avoid extra baggage fees by packing light and only bringing what you need. Consider packing versatile clothing items that can be worn multiple times and in different ways. Use a travel agent. Travel agents can often help you find great deals on travel packages and accommodations and provide insider knowledge on the best ways to save money while traveling. Avoid peak travel times. Flights and accommodations tend to be more expensive during peak travel times, such as holidays and school breaks. Try to travel during less busy times to save money. Plan your activities. Instead of booking expensive tours or activities through a travel agency, consider planning your activities and tours using online resources like travel blogs and social media. Don't overspend on souvenirs. It can be tempting to buy many souvenirs while traveling, but these can add up quickly. Consider buying just one or two special items to remember your trip, or look for more affordable souvenirs like postcards or magnets. With these tips, you can save money on your upcoming trip without sacrificing the quality of your experience. Happy travels!